Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by picking a clear tracking target on screen. Make sure it's high contrast and stays visible. Once chosen, trim the clip to the segment where the marker is most stable and scrub to confirm consistent lighting. If the camera shakes a lot, apply basic stabilization briefly, otherwise tracking will fail. You should zoom to 100% in the viewer to inspect pixels, because accurate tracking depends on crisp detail, not guesses. You need to send the clip to motion for reliable 2D tracking, because Final Cut Pro X tracking is limited. In motion, add a track point or track object and pick your marker. Once the track runs, inspect frame by frame and increase the search region if it loses the target. Make sure to lock the correlation threshold high enough to avoid drift, yet low enough to follow subtle changes. After a clean pass, apply the track data back in Final Cut and refine. You finish by applying the track transform to your element, aligning anchor points and confirming scale and rotation match the scene. Once done, render a short section to check playback. Make sure to nest or compound clips when compositing so adjustments stay intact. If tracking drifts, do not rerun blindly. Place manual keyframes at trouble frames, retrack small ranges, and blend the segments. If an object gets occluded, split the track and re-establish it after the occlusion, then merge the two tracks for a seamless.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.